Well, as the snow melts, there are still some spots that may be icy out there. So how can you prevent slipping or falling? I caught up with Derek Hamblin, the medical director for the Urgent Cares for Primary Health Medical Group. And he tells me this started abruptly a few weeks ago when there was freezing rain, and then it took some folks by surprise. That day, it was slick outside, which led to a lot of people falling on the ice. He says there were 20 visits related to falls just that day alone. He and his partner say it was the worst morning they've seen in years. And since then, they've been seeing slips and falls on the recent snow and ice that we've received. So what are some ways to help keep you from falling? Well, Hamblin says don't go outside if you can help it, which he knows is easier said than done.
If you have to go out in it, then just use shoes, I guess would be probably the first thing I would say. Shoes that are perhaps made for the ice and snow, that have rubber that has a better grip, right? Kind of like snow tires versus your summer tires. When you're walking, I think penguins are a pretty good example for all of us. Kind of a wide grip stance with your hands out, so you can use your hands for balance or grab onto things if necessary, and weight kind of on the forward and inner aspect of your feet, and then kind of a shuffling step like a choo-choo train, or just like, I guess, like a penguin walks, and avoid those big steps.
He also recommends walking on fresh snow rather than packed snow. And of course, injuries from falling can range from minor to devastating. So definitely be extra cautious when you're walking outside in these type of conditions. He says keep your hands out when walking for balance. And he says he's had patients who have had their hands in their pockets when they fell and had significant head injuries. So you'll definitely want to be extra careful outside.